Hey guys, what's up? Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my another video. Maybe this is my second video of this channel. The first video yang pasal apa nama XDA keycap. You guys can see here lah. Okay, aku kasih tahu. Jadi this video aku akan tunjuk dengan orang my unboxing and my sound test for my brand new Keychron K4. Okay, I bought a new keyboard for myself. Okay, maybe some of you guys tanya lah macam mahal aku beli keyboard baru sedangkan aku ada keyboard GK61 yang aku boleh mod, yang aku boleh like banyak benda aku boleh bolah lah dengan this GK61. Okay, jawabannya senang ya. Okay, by the end of last year 2021, I've been hired by a company that requires me to do web development from scratch. Okay, bukan guna WordPress, bukan guna like Webflow or any kind of that thing. So I have to like belajar balik or belajar benda baru, which is yalah JavaScript, PHP, jQuery and all those things. So I think it is comfortable for me to use a full key keyboard rather than a 60% keyboard. Okay, yang aku rasa lah, that's what I thought. So I've been browsing this full key keyboard for quite weeks lah, maybe 2 to 3 weeks after I've been hired, and yeah, I chose Keychron K2 V2. This is a hot swappable, I think. Yes, this is a hot swappable one. RGB backlight aluminum brown switch. Okay, I chose brown switch, but maybe if I get bored of this brown switch, I can swap lah dengan benda lain. Maybe a Kel box white ka, maybe Aqua King ka. We'll see. But without further ado, let's unbox this Keychron K4. Let's go. Okay, in case orang wondering sini aku beli benda tu, aku beli this Keychron K4 V2 from a Shopee shop called Impulse Gaming. Aku ada leave the link dalam description. Okay, nya datang with this plastic wrapping. It's very good. So kita tahulah keyboard yang baru. Okay, kita buka. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, nya datang dengan this black foam. Okay, protect the keyboard at all costs. Okay, the first thing kita akan anggap adalah this simple manual guide. Okay, depannya ada the key configuration and then belakangnya ada simple manual lah. Okay, the key features of the keyboard itself. Okay, this one pada the do's and don'ts of the switch lah, and then the tilt only accept 3 key pin sebab yalah maybe ada ports lah, so hanya ada 3. Semua tu aku rasa hanya 5 pin. Okay, before kita pergi ke keyboard, kita buka this compartment lah depan tu. Maybe ada kabel dalam tu asalnya. Yes, bahan dah tercabut. Okay, this one is the keycap puller from Keychron. Okay, very nice. Nya wire, nya si damage your keycap. Okay, this one is the cable, the black colored 90-degree cable. Okay, sebab apanya 90 degree? Sebab portnya sebelah kiri, so nya kena mulahnya 90 degree lah. Okay, this one is the extra keycap. Okay, for the Windows, sebab in default nya guna Mac pun configuration, so you have to change lah. Okay, kita go for the keyboard itself. Okay, jap aku alih this kotak. Tapi before this is the manual, the full manual, the booklet of the keyboard. Okay, aku alih kotak tu. Okay, kita akan pergi ke, oh my god, look at this keyboard. It's very nice. What the hell? Damn, this full key keyboardnya terlalu full key. Sedang tangga aku kena pen sebabnya si cukup dalam kamera aku. Okay, alright. Okay, aku rasa aku angkat lah this camera nak tutup semua. Tangga. This is a full key keyboard from Keychron. Okay, very nice. Jap, aku rasa aku lupa this one. This one is the switch puller. Okay, switch puller. So kita clean this mess up untuk kita ready for the sound test. Let's go. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video of me unboxing and sound testing of my brand new keyboard, my Keychron K2 V2. I hope you guys enjoy. Sorry tadi the mic wriggly masa sound test. Aku sih tahu, maybe yalah, every time aku type nak nyakan wriggly, so I can help it. Maybe I will buy new table next month, I don't know. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Subscribe untuk mau subscribe, like untuk mau like. Okay, I hope you guys have a good year, have a good week, have a good month. I don't know, man. Okay, bye. That's all. Assalamualaikum.